Today I'm going to code the moon. Well, not exactly, but let's see what I can do here. So first of all, we're going to give it some dimensions. And let's make this in viewport units so that it scales nicely. And I'm going to set this to the width. And the height is going to be exactly the same. And now I'm going to give this thing a background so that I can see it. And now both for the moon and its pseudo elements, so before and after, I'm going to set some positioning. So position absolute. I'm going to set the offsets top, and I'm actually going to use offset 7.5%, and I'm going to set this as a custom property here because I want to be able to change it. And here I'm going to use the custom property. So I'm going to paste it again, and I'm going to have right, bottom, and left. And I'm also going to set a border radius 50% so that everything is round. And I'm also going to set a content for the pseudo elements. And I'm also going to set a background that's going to be radial gradient, current, except SAS is not going to like it, it's going to want a capital C there. And I'm going to use a stop here that's going to be a custom property as well. So 57% default. And then I'm going to have transparent at 71%. And yeah, this should do a nice blurry thing. And then I'm going to set separate styles for the before and for the after. So this background here, I'm going to set it on the before, and here I'm going to set a color that's going to be a light yellow thing. And since now this thing is so light, let's set something darker on the HTML. So we can do this. And also let's set an actual image here. So 50% cover so that it covers the whole thing. And this is going to be the base of the URL, and then it's going to be sky. And this should work, except let's make this HTML element full height, so 100%, and now we can collapse this. And here let's set it to something like this. Again, the base of the URL plus moon, and this is going to be 0 cover, no, 50% cover. Okay, and this is going to be color, it's going to be black again. Okay, and let's make this and let's change the offset because we want this to be bigger, and it's going to be offset over 3, let's say. And now that I've increased this, let's also change the stop to 65%. Actually, I think I can make this bigger. let's say 0.5. Okay, this works. And I'm also going to set a transform that's going to be translate minus, and I'm going to set this x difference, I don't know, 15%. Okay, this looks better. Here I can also set a background blend mode multiply. Okay, and now let's do something in terms of animations. So let's add some keyframes. Keyframes move, so it's going to be 2, and it's going to be the exact same thing as here, only without the minus. And now we're going to take this and add 2 more keyframes. So it's going to be fade and glow, and the fade is going to be at 0. It's going to be opacity 0, and here it's going to change the color to, I don't know, something reddish. This should probably work. And I'm going to add the animation here. So animation, and it's going to be move, and this is going to be the animation duration, which is going to be a t, and it's going to be linear, infinite, and the next one is going to be fade, half the duration of the first animation. It's going to have a cubic Bezier custom timing function. Let's say 0, 0.9, 0.1, and 1, and it's going to be infinite again, and it's also going to be alternate. And I'm going to take this and also put it here. This is going to be the glow, except it's going to use an ease in, so ease in. And now I still need to set this animation duration, and this should get this thing working. Let's make this 115, so this should work properly now. So yeah, it does. Yay, we have the moon eclipse. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have any other ideas, just drop them in the comments or send them on Twitter, and until next time.